Okay guys, let me show you real fast how to throw a birthday party. You could do this for any party theme decorations, simple and easy, that I'm going to show you real fast. So the first thing you're going to need is a backdrop. You're going to need a backdrop for any party theme decorations that you're doing. This is the most that you must have in your home if you're going to be throwing party every time. So then I took 4 of these curtains and I'm going to place them in the bar like that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and fix it all the way around it until I fix it. Then after that I took this backdrop. This is a Karol G backdrop of famous singers in Spanish. Then I took some baby pins and I'm going to attach my banner to the curtain. So just hold the curtain into place and then just attach the banner into it. Then I suggest you guys to get a bigger banner, like maybe 5x7. They didn't have a bigger than this one, so I'm using this small one. So I'm gonna continue just attaching my banner. I'm gonna do the top, I'm gonna do the bottom part on both sides, and I'm also gonna do it in the middle just to attach it into place. Then grab my table, place it in the middle, and then after I place my table, I got this cute little cupcake stand and cake stand. I got 3 of them. I'm gonna place it on top of my table. These are beautiful for every party decorations. Please check down below or go to my Amazon store to check everything I use on this party decoration. So I got these balloons. I'm gonna just spread it out, set it up, and it brings everything you will need, like the string, the rope, and the tape, everything. So I'm gonna separate it by color. Then I got my balloon pump and I'm gonna blow them out one more by one. Then I took the string, this is the best way to do it if you are new doing this. You put it through the big hole and then you slide it to the small one, and then you continue and put it into the big hole and sliding into the small one till you do the whole arch, and then you attach it into your backdrop with strings. Then I got the small little balloons. I'm gonna place them together like that, and I'm gonna do like a cute little flowers. I'm gonna take my glue dots, and this is the perfect thing that brings the glue dot as well. Just put it in your balloon and then attach it in the middle like that. This is so simple for you guys to do. Then I grabbed these cute little flowers because she put the flower in her head. This is the flower that she used. And I'm going to attach it with glue dot in the balloon like that. I'm going to put a few all the way around it. I took my tablecloth and I'm going to use some Velcro and attach it to the side of the table all the way around it as well. And then after that, I got this cake because I didn't have time. It literally took me 2 days to do this. I'm going to scrape out the top of the cake like that because I wanted a 2 tiers. And this is the easiest way when you guys don't have time. Grab 2 cake from Walmart, one small and one medium, and then just put the small one on top of the medium like that, and voila. And then I put my cupcake my topper on top, or you could put flour all the way around it as well. I got some cupcake toppers and place it in my cupcake from Walmart as well. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, so easy to do, and it turns out beautiful. This balloon and backdrop was so inexpensive that you don't even understand. I'm gonna put the link of everything that you guys are gonna need for this DIY, or just check my Amazon store like I said before, that is on top of the page, and it will have everything you need. I hope you guys like this DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and this was a Karol G party, and it was done in my house, and of course we transformed into Karol G. We party it up, and it was awesome. This is a great theme for all my Latinas followers, so I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.